Exclusive, The Orchard has acquired you. Distribution rights to Brewmaster, Douglas Tirolas documentary about the craft beer movement and the community that makes it flow. The film, which had its premiere at SXSW this year, will open in theaters October 19, followed by a digital bow November 20. Tirolas documentary follows an ambitious young New York lawyer who struggles to chase his American dream of becoming a brewmaster and a Milwaukee-based professional beer educator attempting to become a master cicerone, like a sommelier for beer. Along the way are insights on the craft culture and industry from the likes of Brooklyn Brewery and James Beard-winning Brewmaster Garrett Oliver, Samuel Adams founder Jim Koch, Pilsner Urquell Brewmaster Vaclav Burka, the Cicerone program founder Ray Daniels, Dogfish Head Brewery founder Sam Calagione and author Randy Mosher. The film is produced by Grasshopper Plus Marks Productions and Tirolas Fourth Row Films, whose Susan Beduza and Danielle Rosen are producers here.
Tirolas credits include an Omar Broadway film, Hey Bartender and Day and Ian Dye Films Drunk Stone Brilliant Dead, the story of the National Lampoon, which bowed at the Sundance Film Festival in 2015 and was acquired by Magnolia Pictures. Fourth Row's most recent production, Bisbee 17, bowed at this year's Sundance. The Brewmaster deal was negotiated by The Orchard's Evan Morehouse and Cinetic's Eric Sloss on behalf of the filmmakers.
What do you think about it? Share your opinion in the comments below the video. And also subscribe to the channel not to miss new, interesting videos.